Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. I'm actually gonna set you down. I just finished getting ready. Austin and I are gonna go see a movie later tonight. He wanted to see the new Fast and Furious movie, even though he said it had really bad reviews, as I think like all the last ones have. I have not seen one since I think the third one. However, I love to go to the movies, and so I was like, sure, let's go. To be honest, that's actually not how that conversation went. To be honest, I said I'm kind of too busy to go do anything this week because I've been packing for us. And in between like spin classes and like normal social functions, going to Crystal and Richards to watch like The Bachelorette or Loki, which I actually did not do because I was not feeling well last night. There's just not a lot of time in my week to do anything else because I have to pack. But my cats are acting like psychopaths right now. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Anyway, so anyway, that's why I'm all done up. It's actually Thursday. And I'm gonna be really honest with you. Hold on. My tinnitus is out of this world right now. Like, unreal. Can barely focus on anything. Before I was rudely interrupted by my tinnitus, I was going to say, I'm going to be really honest with you guys. I'm not having a great mental health week. Not anything that I feel like talking about in this moment, but hence why there's literally no vlog footage until Thursday. I am excited about this weekend though. It is Graham's first birthday party, so tomorrow night I am going to go help Crystal put some stuff together for the party, and then Saturday is the party. I need to go to the big Walmart today because I need to get wrapping paper. I'm so glad I thought of that. I need to get wrapping paper for his present. I got him, this vlog will be up obviously after the party. So I got him this cute little, like it looks like a lawnmower that he can push, and it like spits out bubbles. It's really, really cute. So hopefully he enjoys that. But today after work, we're gonna go grocery shopping. I will go to the big Walmart instead of the little Walmart so that I can get wrapping paper. Maybe we'll do a grocery haul since I don't have a lot of vlog footage. And then of course you'll get to see some graham cracker. We love baby footage, but that's pretty much where we're at this fine Thursday. Oh, I do want to show one thing. Hold on. Look at this cutest sticker that Miss Lucy got me. She bought this for me a long time ago, and she forgot to send it when she sent something that I purchased from her. And so this year she sent me a birthday card a long time ago. Like she sent it like 2 weeks before my birthday, but I guess USPS is just like way behind or something. I don't know, but it just came like 2 weeks after my birthday. But it says, my crystal ball says you're full of, we don't cuss on my channel, but poop. And I love it. I'm obsessed. I love the nails. I love the vibe. And we all know I love these little sparkles. So I love that. Thank you so much, Lucy. She also sent, hold on, the cards here too. This cutest card that says birthday babe, and it is my all-time favorite color combination of pink and red. She knows me too well. I also love this font. That was so cute from my bestie girl. I'll link this shop down below. I featured her in the small business gift guide that I did. She makes really cute stuff. But did she make this? I should ask Lucy. I don't know if she made this, but I'm obsessed with it.
I'm one.
Are you one?
I am.
Are you 1 year old?
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Let's go again. Go
You want to stand up? Yay! In his, yeah. You are so handsome. I have a very special lunch nap cuddle buddy. This is very nice, Elizabeth. Thank you. It's raining outside. We are enjoying ourselves. And because I only have incredibly jealous cats, I now have the original and the second cuddle buddy. And we are just going to stay here for the next hour and then cry that we have to leave this situation because this is heaven. This is becoming a weekly thing. Oh my gosh, I have mascara on my eyes from yesterday and it's the end of the day today. But this is becoming a weekly event. Our Friday post-work welcome to the weekend cuddle. He's purring. This is my soulmate, you guys. I love you. You are pretty. Look at your boy. He's so pretty. You are looking at yourself? I love him so much. You have no idea. Mwah! There is a frog on my house and it just scared the living daylights out of me. But it's just a frog, not a giant spider. So we're fine. Oh, bye, buddy. Ma'am, I can hear you purr from over here. Crystal has done, girl, you are a party planner. Look at,
Like I used to do it.
yes. So we have over here his little pictures. We have this incredible, oh my God, balloon arch. His birthday is the 5th of July. So obviously 4th of July. Love this. And then this is kind of embarrassing because we just did this and we put up the party, but it is very much not centered. But this is really cool. She got these at Target and you just blow them up. They seal themselves and they have the glitter in there. So cute. And then everything, of course, is 4th of July. We're working on it. Oh, I have to show my sad little stars. Okay, so I got in charge of cutting watermelon stars. I'm so embarrassed, you guys. So some of them on the top look okay, but that was a big old watermelon and that's not the stars I got. It was hard, okay? You looking for the light? I'm sorry, I took it away. It was my phone. Oh, sorry. Pretty girl? Love you. Last night, we were planning at 7:30 to go to Richard and Crystal's house to watch Black Widow, which we did. It was great. But beforehand, I was really tired, so I was like, I'm gonna take a nap. And so I take a nap. And at one point, I hear Milo jump up because I'm in that like half awake, half asleep phase. And I just feel him like put his nose on my forehead and then like pat my face a few times, rub his head up against me, and then he leaves. And I was like, oh, that was cute. He comes back like 5 minutes later, not even 5 minutes, it was like minutes later. And he does the same thing again. And I was like, Milo, you're being so weird. He never does this. Well, evidently, Austin had been taking a shower. He comes down from a shower, wakes me up to tell me, like, it's time to go. And he's like, Milo's acting real weird. He, like, came and he, like, meowed really loud, which, you know, like, you just heard his baby ghost meow. Like, he has a very quiet meow. He does not meow loud. And then he, like, made a mad dash back downstairs, like, seconds. Like, he was up there, he was meowing, then he ran back down. Turns out, I'm pretty sure he thought I was dead. And he was trying to make sure I was okay. And so he went to tell Austin, hey, mom's dead, or mom's dying. And then, oh, he's so cute right now. And then he came back to like wait with me and check on me until Austin came to see me. And so I cried because like when I say this cat is my soulmate, I'm not kidding, Lucy. He's my soulmate. I love him so much.